This is Cooking with Gwen. And the first thing we need to do is wash your hands. We are making mini pizza rolls with Gwen in the kitchen. First, we are going to open this. I don't know how you open this now. Then we're gonna unroll it. Next, we're gonna sprinkle it with garlic powder. Yay!
Good job, Gwen.
Next, we're gonna cut it up where the dotted lines are. Next, we're gonna add our toppings. Our pepperoni, our cheese, our green peppers, which I don't really like. Starting now. This is the thinnest pepperoni I've ever seen. I'll finish the pepperoni. Now we're gonna do the cheese. This is not gonna take a while. I'm trying to speed up here. I almost took a cheese off another. Now we're gonna put on the pepper, the green pepper. After the green pepper, we're gonna roll it up. Now we roll them. Okay, I need a little more practice on that. Now we put them in the oven for 12 minutes.
And we bake them at 375.
Bon appetit. Green peppers.
I thought you didn't like green peppers.
I like them now since I tried them.